Hey guys, we're going to talk about the chemistry of sunburns and suntan. I am so excited. Yes. So I'm going to start by showing you the lab that I did. I cut up pieces of paper and I left them out in the intense heat. I'm using two different colors to also prove a point that black people need sunscreen too. Yeah. We are going to use one paper that won't have sunscreen, another one that is just going to be slathered in sunscreen, and this will represent what will happen when you take care of your skin, protecting it from the radiation of the sun. And then I'm going to use another piece of paper to show what would happen if you just kind of take care of your skin. Just slapping it on like a child on the beach. I don't know. I'm going to do the same thing with the black paper because we all have to do the same thing. And then I dropped my phone, I think. I'm not really sure. So this is the paper that is slathered in sunscreen, and this will be the paper that, yeah. I'm going to put a black dot on the papers that have full sunscreen on, so that just so I could tell the difference. You can't really see it in the video, but I can, so yeah. And then we are outside. I'm putting rocks on them because it's actually not that hot out. It's kind of windy, and I don't want my papers to fly away, so I'm putting rocks on them. And then this is how it looks lined up. It looks really messy because I got this is the results afterwards. I'm going to go into more detail about this lab. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but the hottest day in Arizona was June 29th, 1994, and it was 128 degrees. The reason why I mentioned this is because that is really, really hot. Much like a lot of the days in Arizona. And when it's hot outside, you know the sun's out, and that means you're getting a bunch of radiation. So I'm going to ask, what is a tan? Well, essentially, according to livescience.com, a suntan results from the body's natural defense mechanism against the damaging ultraviolet sun rays. Yeah, the sun has radiation and it's hitting you. Sure, you all know that. But when it does hit you, there's this thing called melanin that protects you. It protects you from the sun. So I'm going to draw, I don't know, the sun rays hitting this caricature of a human. I don't know what to call it, Bobby. And when the sun hits your skin, there's a melanocytes in your skin, and it's going to produce more melanin that protects you. It's like a natural sunscreen, and it makes sure that your DNA doesn't get damaged and you don't get skin cancer. Yeah. I can't draw. I'm trying to be like ASAP Science from YouTube. I don't know. Give love to your melanin. You all have it, so love yourself. It gives you the pigment of your skin and your hair. I don't know if I can draw hair. And it also gives you the color of your eyes. So those bluish, greenish, brownish eyes of yours, yeah, that's melanin. It also protects your eyes from the sun's radiation. Melanin protects you from everything. It's a shield. You're a human shield. You're a superhero, and you're protecting yourself from the sun. That's all I can say. So I'm about to attempt to draw some more technical things. So say goodbye to this Bobby character. This is going to be an arm. Yeah, those are fingers. And I am going to draw the sun. It's no, the sun's radiation hitting your arm. So when the sun's radiation goes to the atmosphere, about 98% of it is blocked by the atmosphere. But that 2% is still a ton. And when it hits you, it's going to affect you in a big way. Unless if you take some precautions. Of course, as I've already mentioned, your skin produces melanin. There's a cell in your epidermis called the melanocyte, and when it is hit by the heat, it will secrete the melanin, and that is how you get your skin tone. And because of the capillaries in your blood, the capillaries in your skin that's bringing blood to your skin, when the sun hits it, the blood flow is stronger. And that is why sometimes you feel a bit warm. And because of melanocytes overproducing melanin, it will tend to cause your skin to peel, and that is how you get the symptoms of sunburns. I'm kind of sad because I can't do this project. It's just I'm no Ariana Baldwin, guys. Sorry. So yeah, I taught you about UV radiation. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know what this is. Should I delete this? Oh, yeah, never mind. I'm going to show you what happened to the stuff. So we're gonna go outside and see that. Okay, so the black paper turned really white. You're not gonna turn whiter if you go in the sun. That's bleaching. It was bleach, but to represent the real life world, you would turn darker. Your DNA would become mutated over time if you spend too much time in the sun or too much time in the tanning bed. And if you do that, you probably will not be friends with the sun anymore. You will have skin cancer and die one day. So I encourage all of you to love Arizona because you live here, love the sun, but you don't have to die every time you put your foot outside. Put on some sunscreen, wear sunglasses, drink lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water, and you really should be good. Nothing else to it. And I just wanted to remind you guys that, remember, a sunburn is a burn. It's going to burn you. That's why it's called a sunburn. So yeah, I might put some diagrams here at the end. I'm not sure.